Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been following the news for the past week, you would have known about the recent Dev Day from OpenAI, and they introduced this awesome new concept of GPTs. Now, if you're not familiar with it, basically GPTs will be custom versions of ChatGPT, and you can provide it two very important things, which is you can provide your own custom knowledge and instructions, which is going to be like a massive game-changing thing when it comes to GPTs. So, and basically, if you're a Chat Plus member, you can go ahead and start creating your own GPTs. And I've already started messing around with it, playing around with it. And I just wanted to make this video and show you, let's create a GPT together and see how it happens and what's the magic that goes on behind the scene. This is going to be like a big game changer when it comes to AI. First of all, it gives you the ability to create your own GPTs, right? You can give your own knowledge and you can give instructions, APIs, and I'm going to be working on that, making a few videos on that. This is a massive step forward. I think we are just one step removed from autonomous AI, where AI is going to be start making instructions. I think next year probably we will see, but this is again, like I said, this is like a major game changer. So you would have seen this. If you have GPT Plus, you would have seen this screen like you have this one from GPT. And I've already made one, as you can see here. I've made this for basically cybersecurity career guide. I'll put the link there in the video, and you can basically, I've uploaded all my knowledge, my books and articles and custom instructions, so it can actually help you to get some feedback, how to start a career in AI, what's important. It can review your CV, and do check it out if you have GPT Plus. I'll put the link there. But let's, instead of showing you this one, why don't I create another GPT, like a GPT from scratch, right? Let's see how it works. So I'm going to be creating a GPT, and the one thing a lot of people ask me about is AI security, right? This is a new topic, and two of my best-selling courses on Udemy and my book also became a bestseller. All of them are on the topic of AI security. So I thought, why not create a GPT based on that knowledge? Okay, so I've clicked on this. This is what it looks like. You can chat with it and help you create this yourself, or you can, like, if you're a bit more what do you call, hands-on, you want to go there and start creating instructions. Okay, so let's go here. I'll help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, so what would I would like to, I want assistant that teaches, assistant that teaches cybersecurity professionals about AI security and its concepts in a fun and engaging manner. Okay, this assistant will make them understand the key areas of AI security and where they need to focus. Okay, so let's see what happens. And what I'm going to be doing is, I'll show you, I'm going to be giving it my own custom knowledge, which is some the book I wrote, the articles I've written. I can't give it my Udemy course, unfortunately, because that you can't upload it. Cyber AI tutor. Okay, that sounds cool. Does it sound good to you? Okay, let's say cyber AI tutor. No, I wanted to be AI security tutor. Yeah, let's go with this one. So that's pretty cool. It's going to take that, and it's probably going to give you an image also. So it's going to give you a profile image about like how it should look like and everything. And remember, everything is about the prompts here. You have to make sure that you are engaging with it. And this is something which I really see becoming more and more important. Oh, this sounds pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. Yeah. And you can see that it's already populated. Explain AI, how does AI test your vulnerabilities? Huh? Yes, this looks good. Yes, this looks good. Should the focus be more on beginners? Should it delve into advanced topics for experienced professionals? I want both. I want both, depending on the prompts which the user gives. Right? It's just asking me what sort of level should be. If the person is new to AI security, then give him the basics first, right? And if he already knows AI security at a high level, then give him more advanced topics. Pretty cool. So it's updating. It's gonna, and if you go to the configure one, if you go there, you'll actually see it building up the context. Okay, and once it's done this, I'm gonna now actually okay. Are these should be prioritize of the question? No, actually, I don't really care much about that. Uh, what do you call? It's asking me if I want to prioritize or something like that. Should a casual conversational tone? Yeah, yeah, a more casual conversational tone. I don't want it to be too roboty. Uh, Too roboty. Make it sound like it's talking to a mentor who has years of experience. So you can see it's building up the context as it goes along. Now, after this, I'm going to go ahead and actually start uploading the information which I have, which is to do around AI security, right? I'm going to be uploading my own book. I'm going to be uploading the AI risk management framework from NIST. And what else it's going to do, and I'm going to add in a few other like really important documents which I have. So let's see, let's go to configure. Now here you can see it's already populated it, right? So this is pretty cool, right? It's designed to all the things which we talked about, and the conversational starters here, you can see the ones which show up here, right, which gives you a starting boost. So this is where the magic happens, which is knowledge. And let's go to the upload part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be uploading a few of the books I've written. I'm going to be uploading the AI risk management framework from NIST, and I'm going to be uploading one more, which was like a generative AI risks white paper, which I really liked. Okay, so all these things, and they're available, and I'm going to be uploading them. So it is already has the web browsing capability, image generation. I don't think we need image generation, honestly speaking. Let's remove this. Code interpreter allows you. I'm not sure that's needed, honestly. I'm going to be working on this more and see how we can do this. And this is now, I'm going to be working on this later on, but you can actually now call APIs, which is a game changer. And it's going to have major implications for cybersecurity, honestly speaking. I mean, you know what APIs are, right? APIs is basically you can call upon other programs. So you can have GPTs that's going to call upon APIs from tools like Zapier. You can create your own APIs, okay? And this is really where the massive impact is going to happen, because now you are opening up actions, right? These agents are going to be taking actions, and like I said, this is just one step removed from autonomous AI, where AI is going to be taking up actions, right? So as an example, I could potentially create an API that creates like a learning calendar in your Google Calendar, right? I could ask it, hey, just go to this person's Google Calendar and create a schedule for learning about AI security for the next week. Okay, so this is where I hope you understood how just it's going to be like how much changes it's going to be bringing. So I'm going to be working on this more. I haven't started it yet about APIs and everything, but this is pretty much where the future is. So now I've already made it, so I think we're pretty much good to go. I've removed daily. We don't need image generation, and we don't need code interpretation. What additional settings? Use conversational data in your GTP to improve our model. Yeah, that's okay. Let's save this. Publish to. I'm going to make it public. I'm going to actually make it public. This GPT may have the GPT store coming soon. Yeah, okay. So let's confirm this. So now here it is. Here's our very first GPT. So explain AI security in simple terms. Okay, let's see what it does. So it's gonna, of course, it's gonna bring its own knowledge, and what it actually is gonna do is gonna go to the information I have uploaded, right? So yeah, okay, pretty awesome, right? So remember, this is ChatGPT, but a more custom version of ChatGPT, which is based on your own customized knowledge. You must have known so many AI startups started got released after GPT, and what they used to do is they would take the OpenAI API, make a wrapper around it, right, for custom knowledge. That all of those AI startups are going to get really impacted with this, because they've effectively made that obsolete, right? So what are the key AI attacks I should be aware of from a cybersecurity perspective? So again, it's going to look at all the data. Yeah. So it's going to look at all the information I uploaded, all those things, right, which we talked about. So this is pretty cool. So this is where you can really start getting that, what do you call, information from it. If you want to learn it, you want to go back and forth with it and check it out. I'm going to make this publicly available. I'm going to put the, what do you call, link. Do check it out. Let me know. The next step I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start playing around with the APIs and see how the actions are. But this is the future, honestly. As these GPTs become more and more powerful, I think they have the potential to actually replace things like online courses, because this is so much more interactive. Imagine if there was a voice here, or a person, like a video, like like you see me right now, right? What if there was actually a face here and a voice there, and you can back and forth talk to it, right? And already we are seeing people doing that, those sort of things. So that can effectively make online courses almost redundant. Things like what they call courses, things like books. So this is really, really game changing, and I can't wait to see where we're going to be in 2024 and 2025 and beyond. So do play around with it, guys. I'm going to put the link there. It's freely accessible, but you need ChatGPT Plus if you have it. So do check this out and let me know what you think about it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Please do like and subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it if you found it useful. Thank you.